how much should you actually spend on 6.5-inch car speakers? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Boss CH6530 Chaos Series. Let's kick things off with the Boss Audio Systems CH6530 Chaos Series speakers. Priced at just $37.91, these speakers caught my attention with their impressive 300 watts max power. If you want vibrant sound without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The 4-ohm impedance ensures compatibility with most car audio systems, while the 90 dB sensitivity means they'll deliver loud sound even with lower power. Plus, they're easy to install with a mounting depth of just 2.1 inches. Honestly, the poly injection cone and rubber surround provide durability, making sure these speakers last through your road trips. Now, some people complained about the sound quality not being as premium compared to higher-end options. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking to upgrade from factory speakers without emptying your wallet, this isn't a deal breaker at all. It's perfect for casual listening and anyone on a budget. This is perfect for you if you're new to car audio upgrades or looking to enhance your sound without spending too much. Skip this one if you're an audiophile seeking high-end sound quality. For the price, it offers great value and performance. Now, if the lower sound quality concerned you, the next speaker on my list might actually be even better for delivering a balanced audio experience. Product number 2, Boss CH6530B speakers. Next up is the Boss Audio Systems CH6530B speakers, retailing for $44.23. These share many features with their sibling but come with some tweaks that make them stand out. If you want a reliable and affordable upgrade, this is worth a serious look. They also offer a maximum power of 300 watts and a frequency response of 100 Hz to 15K Hz. This means you'll enjoy a solid mid-range and decent highs, especially with their 90 dB sensitivity. What caught my eye is how easy they are to install, thanks to a shallow mounting depth of 2.13 inches. The poly injection cone and rubber surround ensure a cleaner sound, minimizing distortion. Now, some users mentioned that the lower frequency response limits bass performance. But here's why that's not a total deal breaker. If you're aiming for a clear and balanced sound rather than booming bass, these speakers might be just what you need. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an effective upgrade without diving deep into audiophile territory. Skip this one if you need heart-thumping bass for hip-hop or electronic music. Overall, they deliver solid sound for a very reasonable price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next speaker on my list has a bit more power for those who crave louder audio. Product number 3, DS18 Pro GM64B loudspeaker. Now let's talk about the DS18 Pro GM64B loudspeaker, priced at $44.18. This one caught my eye not only for its striking red aluminum bullet design but also for its impressive specs. If you want something that can really handle the heat of high volumes, this is worth a serious look. This means you can really push them without worrying about distortion. The 1.5-inch high-temperature voice coil is designed to withstand extreme heat, which is a game changer for long listening sessions. Plus, the mid-range driver gives you that full sound, whether you're listening to instrumentals or vocals. However, some people have said they felt the bass wasn't as pronounced as they expected. But here's the thing, if you prioritize clear mids and highs over heavy bass, it's not really an issue. If you're looking to upgrade from stock speakers, this is a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you appreciate mid-range clarity and can deal with a lack of booming bass. Skip this one if you're strictly a bass head. For the price, it offers incredible performance. Now, if you're looking for something that blends powerful sound with a more traditional look, the next product is going to be right up your alley. Product number 4, Orion Cobalt CM654. Next, we have the Orion Cobalt CM654 speakers at $82.11. These are not your average speakers. They're designed for those who want powerful performance on the road. If you want to elevate your car audio experience, this is worth a serious look. With a maximum power of 1000 watts and 250 watts RMS, these speakers can deliver some serious volume without distortion. The frequency response is tailored for a wide sound range, meaning you'll get both deep bass and crystal clear highs. Plus, with a 96.67 dB efficiency, you'll get loud sound with less power, which is fantastic for everyday listening. However, some users did find the installation a bit tricky due to their size. But here's the thing, if you've got a bit of experience with car audio installations, it's not a deal breaker. And for the sound quality, it's absolutely worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you're ready to invest in quality sound and have some DIY skills. Skip this one if you want a hassle-free installation with no modifications needed. Considering the power and clarity, it provides great value. Alright, we've covered some powerful options. But if you're looking for something that balances performance with ease of installation, the last speaker might just tick all the boxes. Product number 5, JVC CS-J620. Finally, let's look at the JVC CS-J620 speakers, priced at $48.04. These are a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their sound without extensive modifications. If you're all about convenience and solid audio quality, this is worth a serious look. The 92 dB sensitivity means they'll be loud enough for your daily commutes without needing a powerful amp. Plus, the design makes installation a breeze, perfect if you're not a seasoned pro. However, some users mentioned that the bass could be lacking compared to more expensive models. But here's the thing, if you're not after deep, booming lows and just want crisp sound for everyday listening, it won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want an easy upgrade to your car's audio system without a lot of fuss. Skip this one if you're after heavy bass for rap or electronic music. For the price, you get solid performance and ease of installation. To wrap it up, we've covered 5 great 6.5-inch car speakers. The Boss CH6530 offers solid performance at a budget price, while the CH6530B slightly enhances features. The DS18 Pro GM64B gives you extra power, while the Orion CM654 steps up for serious audio enthusiasts. Finally, the JVC CS-J620 balances quality with convenience.